Hi, hope you're having an amazing time here. So our focus today it's on getting ready with me for a simple kind of photo session, an amazing day, and enjoy. Remember to like,
2,000 years later.
like, comment and subscribe. Let's get into this. Let's do this anyway. So, the first thing they always say, apply a primer. Guys, this photo session, simple. So, guys, this photo session it's ni simple to like saying goodbye. Actually, nitakuwa na upload. I will be uploading it on my just wait for the results, the session venye itaenda kila kitu yote nita upload. Yeah. For your makeup, always make sure your hands are clean. Next, moisturizer. So guys, this shoot is going to be kind of it's kind of official in a way. I was thinking, I don't know if I should rock and roll that the official way in a what? And it's gonna draw amani rock it in heels, I don't know. Anyway, let's see. We'll just decide kwa mwisho tutaamua nitavaaje. But anyway, like that. And then the next thing we're going to work on my eyebrows. Oof. Okay, really. Actually, I have done a tutorials way back. I did a tutorial on my eyebrows way back. That it had been requested by someone. If you want me to do a recap, I'm a shorter video on it, because I guess that one was approximately, it was so detailed that I took a lot of time. So if you would like me to do a tutorial on my eyebrows, tell me in the comment section, or just go and comment on the other video and tell me. I don't know if it's me or I just enjoying like doing my makeup while I don't know, well kuna ngoma unajichocha, kujichocha ni real. Alamsiki binuru. So guys, I have done my eyebrows. Told you can check my tutorial on eyebrows ya kitambo. I did it some time back. It was quite a long one because it was so much very detailed for a new beginner. For a beginner, you can actually just it has all the details in it. And anyway, we can also do another one, much easier one. Okay, the other one was it. Anyway, let me stop confusing myself. So we can do another one. If you want me to do so, tell me in the comment section. You can also tell me in the other video, or anyway, just once you visit there, talk to me. So there are my eyebrows ready. So next, guys, after my amazing eyebrows, I have applied concealer, and then some of you prefer to use a brush, the concealer brush, to blend in this puff. This puff is what I'm going to use to blend it in. Okay. You guys don't have some to the president. Anyway, that is a story for another day. One of my experiences in campus. I don't know. I'm thinking of sharing my stories in campus with you guys, but and I won't say about it because we don't know what. And I'm about to complete my university level education. And I don't know what is coming. So guys, after that we are working on the we're using the foundation. So as I was saying, Maliza Shuli, and it's very ironical when you hear me saying that I'm about to complete school, and I'm not sure of what will come next. All my life, I've been the kind of person who knows after waking up, you need to dress up and show up. But this one is quite different. This part of life is quite different, you know, because well, it's quite different. I have like, if all goes well, because we don't know what is coming. Because like currently, what? Everyday makeup needs patience and time. So like currently, I prayed them. Currently, we're under a curfew. We have new rules. Like any curfew huku imeongezwa sana. It has been increased sana. So we have been here on YouTube for quite some time now. But as usual, it's anyway, like right now I seem like I'm talking to you, but I'm telling you, I'm sharing out my thoughts. As much as it is makeup, as much as it is a photo session makeup thing, I don't want it to be too much because I told you guys it's going. Makeup. Not aki sasa umefanya, so hatuoni any change. Anyway, nevertheless, next I wanted to apply some eyeshadow. So guys, as I was saying, anyway, that's what has been bothering me for some time. Right, anyway, najua mtaniambia don't worry, God is going to do his magic. My outfit, I really like black, so I'm going to apply some black. We're going to do the cut cross and whatever and all that right now. I wanted to apply blue because whatever I'm wearing has some blue, but I'll not be doing that. So I'll apply. On top, I'm going to apply some brownish because this cover dress has some brown color. Anyway, guys, we all have our stories to share. But it doesn't end after campus, I guess. Yes, I don't feel like that's where life is starting. That's where life starts now. Na sasa nani aliamua ati tunasoma, look for jobs. Who decided that? But anyway, being optimistic is what keeps most of the people going. Not everyone is like some of the people that became. You don't have to. Hey guys, I don't know. Separate minds, I don't know what I'll be telling you here. I really want to share what happened to me. So I'm applying I'm putting some. Usually you can do all this with a brush, but I always feel okay doing it with this. So nice. Anyway, about the photo session, remember to check out my other uploads, like and comment, okay? Yeah. I can look at me. So guys, for my full attire, I'll be revealing it on my next upload. See you there for the photo session, okay? See you on my next upload. Like, subscribe and comment.